Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lucy and I love everything to do with cruises, Disney and everything travel related pretty much. But in this video today I'm going to be showing you what is in my Disney park bag. So in a few days time we are going to be going to Walt Disney World in Florida. We've not been since 2018. Some things may seem a little bit extra or over the top, but like I said, I've not been for quite a few years now, so I can't really remember what I'll need to take. I'm going to take all of this definitely for the first few days in case I need it. If I decide I don't need it, then obviously I'll take it out, or maybe just basic it down a little bit and just remove a few things that I definitely don't need. But for the first few days, this is what's going to be in my Disney park bag, so let's go and have a look. So the Loungefly bags that I have are pretty much the same, with the front pocket and the big inside compartment. I love this one. I'm definitely going to be taking it. I've only got a few Loungeflies, so I hope to get a few more while I'm out there, but this is the design I like, with the front pocket and the big compartment. And I do like it to have a little inside pocket. I prefer it when it zips, but this one doesn't. How cute is that inside? Anyway, it's going to be rainy out there, so I think this is going to be very fitting, especially with our trip to Crystal Palace meeting Piglet, Eeyore and Tigger, so very fitting. So we're going to start with our biggest item, which is my poncho. Definitely going to be needed. Like I said, it's going to rain most days I think, so I'm going to need to take this every single day, and that is going to fit in the main compartment, taking up quite a bit of room, but I'm going to need it, so there we go. This is my little beauty and miscellaneous bag. So starting off with the beauty bits, just to show you quickly, that's what the inside of it looks like. I got this from Amazon. Beauty bits, I'm going to take my Wild deodorant, which is the smallest deodorant I could find, and is coconut and vanilla. I think that's flipped, but there we go. Is my O'Keeffe's Lip Repair SPF 15 lip balm. Absolutely love this. It feels so nice on my lips. Next is a perfume bottle, which I'm going to decant my normal perfume into this when I get there. Next in the beauty area is my powder. So it's a Rimmel Stay Matte in transparent, and I bought this little powder separate. I thought that would be nice if my face gets a little bit sweaty, or yeah. Next is, this will be hand cream, this little pot. I just got this from, I think it was Primark, in a pack of loads of other travel toiletry essentials, bottles and stuff, so that will fit in there as well. And I've got a larger hand cream that I'm taking with me so that I can daily put more of that into this little pot, so I'm not carrying around a big one. Next is obviously hair bubble, very important, especially in the humidity. No doubt I'll be putting my hair up every single day. Next, also great for the humidity, hairbrush, also a mirror. Very handy, doesn't take up too much space, and this is what it's looking like in my bag at the moment. There's actually quite a lot of room in there still. Next, chewing gum. And now onto the things, well, that wasn't beauty, but now onto the things that aren't really beauty stuff, it's more miscellaneous. And this is just a little plastic bag that you can put your phone in if it's raining, or you could put some snacks in there. Lots of use for it, but fold that up small, and that can go in a little side pocket. Next is my glasses strap. So these are like silicone at the end there, and they just go onto the arms of my glasses so that I can wear them on fast rides, upside down rides, that kind of thing, so that I can actually see while I'm on the rides, because usually I take them off and I'm worried about them getting crushed or broken, you know. I definitely want to be able to see on all the rides, and this, I used this in Paris and was an absolute lifesaver. It really did change everything for me, because usually I can't see on the rides because I take them off. So yeah, that is perfect, from Amazon as well. Next is something that's probably a little bit extra, but it's a reusable straw in this little compartment. So just have to untwist it, and it also comes with a little cleaner that extends, and also the straw extends, and it's got a nice little cushiony into it there. So perfect for the food and wine festival, which is going to be while we're out there. So I don't think this is extra. I think that is going to be definitely needed, because nobody likes paper straws. And lastly in this little bag is going to be something that's very extra, is a spork. So it comes in its own little case that you just, oh, there we go, flip open. It's just one little spork, and it twists and opens up into that. Very handy, and especially again for the food and wine festival. I just think it's really cute. It doesn't take up too much room, and then it fits very nicely back in its little compartment, and that also fits in that bag. So there we go. That is going to also go in the large compartment of the bag. As you can see there, there's still some room down the side, which next I'm going to put in there is my fan. Definitely needed for Florida. It's going to be so hot out there. But yeah, it also can be used as a phone charger by using that at the back there. And that is going to go down the side there. There's still some more room, which in that space is going to be my phone charger. This is very heavy. Well, not just a phone charger, but just a portable charger. It's supposed to hold a lot of charge and should only need this all day rather than multiple chargers, which I would probably usually take with me. But that's fine. That fits down in that little space too. And along with that is my extendable charger. I love this. I take this with me almost everywhere. It goes back in like that. But you've got 3 different types of chargers on here. You've got what is that one? USB-C, a normal iPhone charger, and then I can't remember the name of the other one, but it's that one. Can you see that? The other charger anyway. And that just fits down the side. Don't know if you can see that. In there. Next, actually, we'll move on to the front compartment in this little space at the front. So first of all, I have my first aid kit in here. Now some of this stuff probably is a little bit extra. I think the amount of plasters I've got is definitely a little bit extra. But we're going to start off with wet wipes. Really handy. These are kill 99.9% of bacteria, so great to use on your hands, clean down tables, clean whatever you want, especially if you've got kids. These are really handy. But obviously if you need to actually go and wash your hands, go and wash your hands. I don't really like hand sanitizer because it's leaked on me multiple times, and I don't really like the feel of it. Sometimes they can be a little bit sticky, so definitely an essential for me. Next is my bazillions of different types of plasters. I've got ones that are specifically for blisters, just normal types of plasters, ones that are supposed to heal blisters, you name it, I've got it. So, and they're also for my family as well. Next, Nurofen, or just paracetamol, painkiller, anything like that. That is definitely an essential. Antiseptic wipe, just one. You don't know when you're going to need it. I did have a glasses wipe somewhere, but I think I might have just used that. So yeah, I do usually keep a glasses wipe with me. Next is Imodium. We don't need to talk about that. Nothing more needs to be said. And also a safety bin in case something goes wrong with my clothes. Doesn't take up any room. So that might be a lifesaver, and it's very small. So that is going to go in the front of my bag, like so, just in there. And also in the front of that bag, I'm going to put in these 2, not 1, but 2 sun creams. This one is a little mini one for my legs, arms, whatever, for my body. And then this one is to go over my makeup, and it's also a setting spray, so that's really handy. This one, I do have a bigger version that I'm going to bring with me that's exactly the same as what's inside of this bottle, and just top it up as and when I need to, so I'm not carrying around a big, massive sun cream. And they just slot in the front of the bag, like so. Zip up like that. Also going in the larger compartment of my bag is what I'm actually filming on right now, which is very new and exciting, and I can't believe I actually have one, but it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm going to be doing all my vlogging on, so stay tuned for all of the upcoming vlogs. But this is the case for it, so I'll just use this as like a size reference, and that will just tuck in there on top. And also some accessories to come with it, 2 of which I'm actually filming on at the moment. Is I got the creator combo, so it comes with a battery handle and a tripod bottom, so I'm using both of them, but they fit nicely in this little pouch along with a microphone, so that all fits very well actually in there. I just got this from Shein, and that will just fit also in there. It's getting a little bit snug now, but there's only one more thing to put in there, which is my phone, and I'm just gonna tuck that at the front for easy access. So as you can see, that all fits in there. Let's do this side. And there we go. It all zips up and fits in there. Now, if you're wondering what I'm going to do with my ears for when I'm on rides, then I've got the solution, and I'm going to show you what I do with them. So this is an ear holder, and all you have to do is, you can get these from Etsy. My mum actually made this one for me because she's very clever. But it's got 2 poppers, and you just clip that around like that so it holds it there. And usually they've got a little clip like this, and I'm just going to hang it onto my zip because there's 2 zips, and you could actually use it. There's like a little safety lock to clip those together if you're worried about anyone getting into your bag. Can I do this? Just like that. So when I need to take my ears off on a ride, then this is how they will sit. There is something else I don't know if I'm actually going to put in my bag, because I bought these yesterday, but I bought myself some Crocs from Sports Direct. I'm going to be wearing socks with them so that I don't get any blisters with them rubbing at the sides on those bit in there. But obviously, like I said, with the rain, it's supposed to rain every single day at some point, so I may pack an extra pair of socks, which could maybe, no, they can't fit in there. They'll have to fit somewhere in there. Or I'll ask someone else to carry my socks for me, but I think I'm going to need an extra pair of socks if I wear my Crocs. So that is everything that I'm packing in my Disney park bag. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it might have given you some inspiration, or if you just wanted to see what I'm going to be carrying around with me every day. Really love it if you would come along with me and join us on the whole experience of Disney. All the food, all the wine apparently, all the drinks, fireworks and rides and character dining experiences, and there's so much. It's my boyfriend's first time at Disney, so it's like we're going to be experiencing it all again for the first time. I'm so excited, I cannot tell you. But also, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.